Grabe, nagbabalik na naman tayo sa MOA. Pang-ilang MOA na ba natin to? 4? 5? Hindi ko na diba? Hindi ko na din mabilang eh. Kasi pag mag-shopping dito din kami pumupunta eh. So nagugulo na sa ulo namin. But first, let's greet them. 1, 2, 3. Hello po! We are Horizon! Welcome to Ho 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 Holiday Hangout with Horizon! Hello guys! Guys, batiin niya naman dito. Go Kim, kaya mo yan. Kim, batiin mo. Oh.
Kamusta kayo guys? Dito tayo mag-celebrate ng Christmas. Kasama ko ngayon. Thank you so much na pumunta kayo dito sa fan-signing event. At ito na yung class namin na fan-signing event. And
This year.
pay nyo lang na Christmas party with Horizon and Anchors. Love you guys.
Hello Anchors. Sana mag-enjoy kayo mamaya sa performance namin. Yun lang. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Anchors. Namiss ko kayo sa prank.
Eh bakit baliktad yung t-shirt mo ata ngayon?
Okay.
Style lang, style. And guys!
Hi guys, salamat sa pagpunta ngayon and mamaya we're gonna have game po and join us and paglaro po tayo. Hi, Bart. So happy na makita ka ng dito nga sa mga. It's been a while since nagkita tayo and sana today mag-enjoy tayo lahat, okay?
Hello, Anchors. I hope you guys have energy for today, for tonight. So, guys, isang beses lang. Let me hear all your screams right now. Go! Let me hear your energy. There we go. All right. I think we're ready. So, sana you keep that energy until the end kasi we'll have many games later. We're gonna have many interactions. So, save your energy. Keep it at this level. And marami pa tayong gagawin mamaya. Okay? So, yeah, stay tuned guys. Love you. See you later.